Have you ever felt like your whole world collapsed when everything you built, everything you loved, was suddenly taken away? That's exactly what happened to Job. The Bible describes Job as a righteous man, blameless and upright, fearing God and shunning evil. Job 1:1. He was wealthy, respected, and deeply devoted to God. But in a single moment, everything changed. Unknown to Job, something was happening in the spiritual realm. The Bible tells us that one day Satan came before God. God asked him, "Have you considered my servant Job? There is no one on earth like him." Job 1:8. Satan replied, "Does Job fear God for nothing? You have blessed him, but take away everything he has and he will curse you to your face." Job 1:9-11. And so God allowed Job to be tested, but with limits. One after another, devastating messengers arrived at Job's doorstep. His livestock were stolen. His servants were killed. A great wind struck his eldest son's house and all his children perished. Job's response: he tore his robe, fell to the ground, and worshipped. He said, "The Lord gave and the Lord has taken away. Blessed be the name of the Lord." Job 1:21. Even in unimaginable grief, Job did not sin against God. Satan wasn't finished. He said, "Skin for skin. A man will give all he has for his own life." Job 2:4. God allowed Satan to afflict Job with painful sores from head to toe, but not to take his life. His wife, overcome with grief, said, "Curse God and die." Job 2:9. But Job answered, "Shall we accept good from God and not trouble?" Job 2:10. He still refused to sin. For 7 days, Job's friends sat with him in silence. But when they finally spoke, they accused him of hidden sin. They believed suffering equals punishment. They urged Job to repent for sins he never committed. But Job maintained his innocence and questioned why God was allowing this to happen. Then God spoke out of the whirlwind. He didn't give Job the answers he sought, but instead, he revealed his sovereignty. "Where were you when I laid the earth's foundation?" Job 38:4. God reminded Job that he alone controls the universe, that his ways are higher than ours. Job finally understood. God's ways are beyond human understanding. He repented for doubting God's wisdom. And then God did something incredible. He restored Job. Job received twice as much wealth as before. He had 10 more children. He lived 140 more years, seeing 4 generations of descendants. Job's story teaches us 3 powerful truths. 1. Faith isn't based on blessings, it's tested in trials. 2. God's wisdom is beyond our understanding. 3. Suffering has a purpose even when we don't see it. Maybe you're going through your own trials, wondering, why God? Remember Job's story. God is still in control and restoration is coming. If this video encouraged you, share it with someone who needs hope today. Don't forget to subscribe for more faith-filled content. God bless you.